Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of Crypto Trains. I'm Kels and I'm going to show you how to use your MACD with a moving average. So let's jump in there, let's share my screen. So here it is, here's Trading View. You can see that I have the MACD and the moving average. The moving average is going to be a exponential moving average and it's going to be set at 15 and is blue in color. That's the default, but it does default to 9. We just change it to 15. Here's your MACD. Your settings are going to be traditional settings, 12, 26, 9. They work as long as you wait for the proper entries. So what you want to do is you want to use your EMA as your trend direction momentum. Okay. That's what you want to use that for. And you want to use your MACD as the triggers to take your positions. So the rule that I use is that the candlesticks, the past 5 candlesticks will tell you the direction of the trend. You don't want to use too many because we're scalping. We're on a 5-minute chart, so you don't want to go back hours and days to see which way the trend is, because we don't really care about that. We care about getting in, taking our position, and getting out. And if we catch the trend, the new trend, then so be it. But if not, then we still make money and we still profit off of it. So here's a trade that we did this morning in our Discord. If you want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to join it. The link will be in the description box below. Here is the Bitcoin signal, and you can see that we will change to Bitcoin. Here it is. And what we did is we waited for the breakout. Or for the breakout of it, because we can see that we're heading down. This is a downtrend. The past 5 candlesticks is showing us down. Now we broke above it. Now we have what we call a reversal pattern. We're above the EMA. We're making higher highs and higher lows on this, and we're staying above the EMA. So what do? Is we come back down here. We see that we have a test of this EMA. As long as we don't close below the EMA for 5 candlesticks, this is the entry that we have. The same entry that we taken over here. You can see that this is the entry that we've taken right here. And what you want to do is you want to target 1 to 1.5 of the swing low. Here's your swing low. So you're going to have a stop loss of 2.24 to see if it changes, and we want to do 1 to 1.5, and you can see we made 3.37 off of this particular trade. That's not where the smart trading comes into play. Once you hit this target that you're targeting for, you close half that position and you use your EMA as your stop loss. Not touching the EMA, closing below the EMA. So we want to have a stop loss just right below it. So now we have half of our position open, and if we get stopped out right now, we're going to make 5.95 off of this scalp that we did. It's very simple to use the MACD with the EMA, and as long as you just wait for the proper entries, that is the idea. So here's where people will get in trouble right here. Here's where a trade would happen. Here's your trade. You're going to do your swing low. You're going to use your swing low and target 1.5 to your target. Do we hit the target all the time? Sometimes we do, sometimes we get stopped out. It is part of the game. So if you're trying to make 100% accuracy, it's not going to happen. What you really want to get is above 70% accuracy, and that's when you can turn this hobby into a full-time job. But here is where people will get in trouble. Here's where the MACD crossed over. Your moving average is pushing down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have what we would consider an uptrend, but the moving average is pushing down. So what we want to look for when this happens is a reversal pattern. What reversal pattern do we have here? We have a double bottom. We have a double bottom. Let me see where the tool is. We have a double bottom, what we call a W shape. Here it is right here. We have one right there, and we break out right there. Here's where your breakout is. Right there, here is your breakout. This is now considered an uptrend. What we do is we wait to get up there above 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 candlesticks, and it just so happens to be this is the breakout of the double bottom. Let me erase this so I can make it a little bit better for you. So the double bottom is going to be, here's one bottom, and here is another bottom. So how do you know that this is a double bottom on there? Using the MACD, your oscillator is pointing up. So you know that we're coming down here. We're going to, if you would have taken this trade prematurely, this is what rookies do, and this is what we don't want to do. We want to see this, the moving average is pointing down. You can actually short it here because you know that the moving average is going to push it down to at least to make a double bottom and maybe even a better divergence. But you can see here's your double bottom, here's your entry right here breaking up, here is your conservative entry, and you can just ride it up for there. MACD is a very useful tool if used right. You can see that our price action right now live is coming down to test this moving average. Your MACD is pushing down. So what do? Here's where it started pushing down. And what happens? We have a divergence right here. We have an upward movement and a downward movement on the oscillator. So what do you want to see happen? We want to see break below this EMA. We want to see break below this EMA for at least 5 candlesticks with making lower lows and lower highs. Then we look to take a position. Trading is 90% waiting, 10% trading. And the good thing about being a member of the crypto train is that you don't have to sit at the computer and wait, because we have a team that does that for you. All you have to do is wait for the trades that come through here. You can see we have short trade setups, long trade setups, stocks and options, depends on what you want. But you can join here. We have all levels. We have beginners. We teach you how to trade, and we educate you on how to be patient and how to have the highest probability trades out there. Hope to see you in the Discord. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video.